Ano? Lalaki ka ba ng flavor? Hindi ako naman. Brainerd. Puro ka brainerd. I have, guess where is the trap? Guess where is the trap? Pindutin mo pa, hindi ko nakita saan. Ayan na. Let's try. Let's use this one because this one has pattern that's dangerous. Pattern dangerous. Hindi yan uminom ng tubig. The parkour course. I'm gonna make a parkour course. I'm gonna make a baby. I'm gonna make a popular. I'm gonna make a 2D parkour course. 2D, that's 2D. I mean the 2D parkour course, so. You know how I'm gonna make this game. Ano siya na dito yung ligo para wala nang girls sa gaanoy. Oo, akin to eh. May maro yan. Diba? Yung wala ng sticker. Meron lang ibang maayos na lagayan.
Yan, buka ka dyan sa bag ni bebe. Yung manipis lang nun. Ito yung bag sa lang.
The orange is the lava, dude. Red and orange are the lava. Yeah.
So, ito to. Dalawa kayo na kay Papa. Basta sa kanya? Oo. Flexible yun.
Kanino to? Wala. Wala?
Sakay ka na ba? Ano yung nasa kiligili mo?
Hindi na mag-fly.
Ayan. Babay yung buhok nyo.
Oh! This part of the thing is the lock. So they cannot go up. I'm gonna make a 2D one, but it's gonna be like, ano ba yan yung ganito. Ganito ko yung parang, laro na yun yung paganto. Yung tatalon yung square na yun. Like this. Just make a stand for it. Ha? I'm gonna make the stand for it. Ako na. Ako na. Lipix! Ako na ha. Kitang-kita si Maro naglaro. Oo. Yan. Brainrot ang linalaro niya, guys. Diba? This is a Roblox face. He's literally fighting the Roblox face. Yeah. Making the stand.
Ito ka na para matulog. upwards.
Huh? Put it more upward. Let's not try it. Why is it facing upwards? It's facing downward. Now I know, place them here. Mana put this here? Ano? Mana put this here? See? See? The camera doesn't see that. Yeah. Dalawa kami naubos niya na. We're not sure because the camera is here. Cannot see. Oh. Cannot see that. If we need to cover something, just place some. Just place a block here. Let's see. Oh, I know that. We need to block up the camera. Put this thing there. And connect.
Kaya hindi pa tayo tapos. Sige rito.
The younger. The blue blocks is gonna be air. The blue blocks. Gonna be air? Yeah. The blue blocks is gonna be just air. I'm gonna make a parkour course. This is the guy. Oh. This is air. So I need blue. I need this. No. I forgot what to do. The blue blocks are these are gonna be disappearing blocks. This is close open. Why I like this? Sakaling napaktakan. Here. Okay. This is the start. Is this yours? That's your lollipop. This is the entrance. Okay, this is the entrance. But how it's gonna connect? Then make it backward. So this one. Make it in the last one. Make the
Dami dito.
Oh, this is the last place.
Kumaan lang. Kasi kasi ang dami.
You cannot fit here because you're small.
Wala din naman yung
ba? Ano may connector for the camera? I need white for the display, for the disappearing blocks. I need just blue. Blue. I said blue. Blue? Just tatlong blue. I forgot what I need 5 more blues. 5. 5. It's only 4. After that, I got one here. Here, just remove this. There's already 5 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 1. I need purple. Why did you go purple? Why did you go purple? Diba meron kang purple dyan? Diba konti na lang. Umalit na yung lollipop. Tignan mo. Ito siya. Okay, I'm done. Forget about this here. And then this is our plate. This is the old favorite game. Guys, this black. This is my favorite old games. Moving sana. Pag-block siya na yung kahit ano. Just green. Make it a circle. Oh, make the bowling similar. This is gonna be the checkpoint. This is the entrance. I always think about all this.